Hello together, my name is Jonas and I'm excited to show you my app, which I developed over months of hard work. In a nutshell, all it does is to ask you if you really want to open an app, like for example YouTube, Instagram or Chrome. So let's assume you have downloaded my app, all you have to do is open it. Then you are asked to allow the usage stats permissions which are needed to recognize other app launches. For users of Android 10 or above, you also have to allow system alert window permissions to launch the app over other apps. Then, after allowing the permissions, just choose the apps you want to use more consciously in the app list. After that, set the duration of your block screen and set a custom message. Now you can click on Start iChooseTo. After that you should see the icon on the top left corner. Also in your notifications there should pop up the message that ICT is active. If you now open an app you have chosen from the list, the ICT block screen will show up asking you if you really want to open it. You can immediately close the app. Or you can wait for the countdown to finish and choose to use the app consciously. How do I recommend using ICT? Before using ICT the first time, do the following. Firstly, write down the top 3 negative impacts of using your smartphone in the wrong way. Secondly, write down the top 3 positive impacts of using your smartphone in a conscious, smart and right way. Thirdly, write down a short mission statement, 2 or 3 sentences, about why you are going to choose to use your smartphone in a more conscious way using the 3 positive impacts you defined in step 2. For example, my mission statement: I choose to be more in control of my life, my time and my well or not well being. I decide to be more conscious, focus on productive tasks and to spend more time with my family. I want to make clear that you have to be conscious about the negative impacts, but put your focus on the positive results you will get by using ICT. That's important. So I have put together a program for a month, and for each week I want you to block semi-productive apps and use your mission statement as the custom message and read it out loud each time the ICT block screen opens. What changes over the weeks? That's the duration. In the first week I want you to set the duration for 10 seconds and the skip immediately option is off. And then in the week 2 the duration is 5 seconds, in week 3 3 seconds and the skip immediately option is always off. And then in the fourth week I want you to turn on the skip immediately option. Because I think you are already so used in stating out your mission statement that it will even happen before you open the app, and so you are able to to continue immediately to the app you want to use. And after these 4 weeks I don't think you need my app anymore. So you can donate if you want, you can leave a good review, you can uninstall it again, and yeah, I don't think you need it anymore. Think of it, good choices float like feathers, while poor ones sink like anchors. Change your life now. Change your life now.